What's up, YouTube? M3 equals 333. Topps Museum, 2012 Topps Museum came out today. I think technically it's supposed to be released tomorrow, but most people got it today, including the distributor that I buy from. So I bought a 6-box inner case. The guy that I bought it from really wanted to see what the cards look like, so normally I don't do this, but I opened one of the boxes up at his shop, at his store place. So here's the 5 boxes that are left. I'll probably open a box or two on this break and just see what happens, and you know, we'll see what happens. If I get something good, I might just stop and you know, we'll see. Maybe sell off the other boxes because I'm not sure if I'm going to open all the boxes. But anyways, here are the hits out of the first box. Nothing crazy, but Carlos Gonzalez canvas. Duke Schneider out of 50 jumbo bat. These cards are pretty cool. Definitely nicely designed. Good job by Topps. A Todd Helton jersey patch out of 99. Aramis Ramirez jersey patch auto out of 17 of 70. And my on card was a Michael Pineda autograph out of 299. I guess it's his second year, 2012. So, all right, let's try another box. 2012 Topps Marquee. Sorry, Museum. Very similar to Marquee. The boxes look almost exactly the same. See how they have like the same size and everything, and then they got the 4 little mini boxes. I was a pretty big fan of Marquee. Some cool stuff to be had. This stuff looks really cool too. Obviously, it's hit or miss as with anything, but. Looking for something nice. I didn't look at the checklist, but I know the biggest cards are the cuts, and I think there's 15 of them. A friend I was talking to busted some today, and he pulled a cut auto, Hank Bauer. So that's one of them gone already. This is a 101. All pretty thick except for one pack. Alright, so let's see what happens here. It's the numbered card out of 199, Cole Hamels. Robinson Cano base. Pablo Sandoval base. Koufax base. Another Pineda auto. Jeez. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing or what. Another Pineda auto. 2 boxes, 2 Pinedas out of the same case. So nice collation, Topps. Alright, let's keep going. Something super thick in this one. Just normal thickness, I guess. It's another Michael Pineda, except this one's in his Yankees uniform, and it's numbered. Kind of weird how the autos are in his Mariners. Felix Hernandez auto. I'm sorry, base. Jose Reyes. Canvas collection. Looks like a Cano. And Brandon Phillips, dual patch, 1 of 5. Not bad. Alright, let's keep going. Is this an Ian Kinsler at a $2.99? Elvis Andrus, Freak, Price, and Vladimir Guerrero Jumbo Lumber. Okay, last pack. This is based on how everything's looking. This should be a quad jersey, I guess. This is sorry, Yastrzemski at a $2.99. Victor Martinez, Pujols, Molitor, and Matt Kemp. It's a red one at a 75, just single color patch. Alright. I'm going to try one more box. Excuse me. Alright, they all feel semi-thick. Okay, pack 1. Miguel Cabrera at $2.99. Pineda base. Hamilton base. Reggie Jackson base. Longoria. And Hellickson auto. Alright, so that's the on-card auto. Okay, Paul O'Neill at a $1.99. Carlos Gonzalez, Willie Mays, Mark Trumbo, and Mike Stanton, pretty sweet patch at a 25. Okay. Okay, Frank Robinson at $2.99. Brooks Robinson, Paul Konerko, Canvas Collection, and Neil Walker, patch auto. Alright. Okay, Babe Ruth numbered at a $2.99. Drew Stubbs, Longoria, Cobb, and a Gallardo at a 10. Not a great second box. Third box, I should say. And that's it for the breaks now. Still have 3 boxes left.